What if I told you that the hottest month of the year could be the perfect time to grow some of the tastiest vegetables in your garden? It sounds wild, right? But it is true. July heat in Zone 8 is not your enemy. It is your secret weapon. Stick around because these vegetables love the heat, and your harvest will prove it. Let's be real, gardening in July in Zone 8 is no joke. We are talking about intense sun, high humidity, and dry soil. But here is the good news. Some vegetables thrive in this kind of weather. With long daylight hours and warm soil, July gives you a great window to plant heat-loving crops that will take off fast and produce all the way through late summer. Planting in July means quick germination, rapid growth, and fewer issues with disease. You also avoid the spring rush and pests that attack cooler crops. Plus, many of these vegetables will be ready just in time for your late summer meals, saving you money and giving you unbeatable garden fresh flavor. With the right picks, July is your most productive month of the year. And here is the kicker: one of these vegetables is so drought tolerant and easy, it practically grows itself. But do not skip ahead. Each one we cover today brings something special to your summer garden. You will want them all. Vegetable 1, okra. First up, okra. This southern classic thrives in the hottest weather. It grows tall, fast, and keeps producing all season long. Plant it from seed directly into warm soil, give it full sun, and watch it shoot up. Harvest young pods every couple of days for the best flavor, and the more you pick, the more it grows. Vegetable 2, peppers. Next, let's talk about peppers. Both sweet and hot varieties love July heat. They grow best in full sun with well-drained soil. Keep them evenly watered, and they will reward you with colorful, crisp fruit through summer, even into fall. Want more heat? Add a few jalapenos or cayennes for flavor and spice. Vegetable 3, southern peas, cowpeas. Southern peas, also known as cowpeas or black-eyed peas, are a heat-tolerant powerhouse. They improve your soil, resist drought, and grow in places where other plants struggle. Sow seeds directly, and they will take off quickly. Bonus, they attract pollinators and beneficial insects. These peas are great fresh or dried and store well too. Vegetable 4, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes love long, hot days. You will need slips, not seeds, and a sunny patch with loose soil. Once they are in, they need very little care. Just keep them watered, and by early fall, you will dig up a sweet, starchy treasure trove. Plus, the vines make a beautiful ground cover. Vegetable 5, eggplant. Eggplant is another star performer in July. It needs full sun, consistent watering, and rich soil. Plant nursery starts for faster results. With a little care, you will be harvesting deep purple fruits in no time. Grill them, roast them, or add them to stir fries. Eggplants are incredibly versatile and productive in summer. Before we wrap up, here is a tip that can make all the difference, especially in the brutal July sun. Most gardeners miss this, but it can keep your plants thriving when others are wilting. You are going to want to hear this. To beat the heat, add a thick layer of mulch around your plants to hold in moisture and block weeds. For the hottest days, consider a bit of shade cloth in the afternoon to reduce stress. These 2 simple tricks can protect your July crops and boost your harvest, especially if you are planting in direct sun. Here is your July Zone 8 planting list: okra, peppers, southern peas, sweet potatoes, and eggplant. Add mulch and shade, and you have got yourself a heat-proof garden that thrives. So do not let the heat scare you. With the right vegetables and a few smart tricks, July can be your best month yet. Try these heat-loving crops and watch your garden explode with growth. Hit the subscribe button for more Zone 8 gardening tips, and let us know in the comments, what are you planting this summer?